So I've been thinking about doing this vlog for a while, and since it's the new year, I'm gonna start doing a vlog. I don't think I'll be recording every day. I don't think I'll be doing a vlog every day, just every so often, once in a while. Something that's interesting, that's related to comic books or art in general. It's gonna be things that's not related to my tutorials, maybe not even inking in general or how I do inking, but just things that I think is kind of interesting or kind of fun to watch, fun to do, or places, new items I'm getting, new products, unboxing videos maybe, things like that. And then maybe I'm gonna be recording stuff that's not interesting, so we'll see how that goes. And I thought to myself, do I have time to vlog? Whatever I think is interesting, then I'll just start vlogging about it. It won't be every day like I mentioned earlier. Maybe once a week, once a month, once every other month, once a quarter, who knows. If you guys have any interesting questions or topic, just comment down below and then I'll make a blog out of it. So thanks for watching the very first vlog I've done. Comment down below, press the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos, tutorial videos, and my vlog. Thanks again, and until next time.